Hi everybody. Today I have Kinder Beauty Box. I have the September and the October one because the September one was delayed. And just before it arrived, I got a notification that the October one was coming, so I waited for it and just decided to do them together. This one, the September one, I did take a peek at, so I do know what's in here. But we get to discover the October one together. And Kinder Beauty Box is $25 a month. And everything they send is vegan, cruelty-free, free of all kinds of bad ingredients. It's owned by 2 women and 1 man. And they source products that are natural and, healthy and all that stuff. Okay, so it comes with a card. This is the card with everything in here. And first thing is the J&L Naturals Growth Hair Serum. This retails for $27.10, and it's supposed to give hydration, protection, and growth. Okay, it has coconut oil, argan oil, grapeseed, castor oil, and you can use it on your scalp and your hair. Let's see. It says Tear Me. It says Tear Me on here. Okay. It doesn't have much of a smell. I'm going to try a little bit of it. It feels okay. Like hair oil. It has kind of a vanilla scent too. It's nice. Alright, next thing is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is Daikon Dreams Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract. Radish Extract. That sounds interesting. I've never had anything with radish radish extract before. It's sealed in the plastic here. And of course it's vegan, GMO free, gluten free, and all that stuff. Got the little bunny on there. Lip exfoliator. It's sealed, but I'm gonna open it anyway because I'd like to see what it's like. Oh, it's kind of orange in color. Let's see what it looks like. I can feel the grains in it. It smells good. I like this. And Kinder has 2 variations every month. This one, I forgot which one it is, but I'll look it up and put it on here. Alright, and we got a tiny bottle of Hyper Y cleansing hand gel lemongrass blend. It says this powerful rinse-free cleansing hand gel is formulated with 62% ethyl alcohol, sourced from non-GMO sugar cane, soothing aloe, and an uplifting yet calming blend of lemongrass, frankincense, and chamomile essential oils. And it's moisturizing, vegan, and designed to effectively cleanse your hands on the go when good old-fashioned soap and water aren't available. This retails for $2. So basically a sample. Oh, I didn't mention this one. The lip exfoliator retails for $24. Alright. The next thing is a palette from Pixie by Petra. This is the Hello Beautiful Face Case. LA Angel. Oh, shoot. One of the shadows is broken. Right there. Well, let's see. Hopefully it's not too bad. Oh, yeah. It's falling out already. Okay. You see it in there? It's kind of right there. Let's see. I might be able to put it back together. But these are the other shades. I can't really hold it up too high. But it's a really pretty palette. I do like it. It has, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 12 shadows and 3 cheek products. Okay. Look. I got this broken shadow all over my hand. Alright. That's slightly disappointing. But anyway. The last item is the Bamboo Lyocell Eye Mask. This retails for $18 and the palette retails for $24. It says, Attitude believes in living mindfully to sustain a more comfortable existence for all. Made from the world's first clean bamboo fabric, our bedding, sleepwear, and bath range are gentle on your skin and our planet. That's good. Then they have their links with Facebook and everything on the back. Let's take a look at this. And here's a picture. I guess they sell pajamas and bedding. So, and this is the mask. Oh, it's soft. It's very soft. Very stretchy. It won't be tight at all. Okay, that's nice. For September, we got the Pixie by Petra eyeshadow palette. The Bamboo Lyocell Eye Mask. The J&L Naturals Growth Serum for your hair. The Seraphine Botanicals Lip Scrub with Daikon Radish. And a sample of the Piper Y Hand Cleansing Gel. It does smell like lemongrass too. Alright. Now on to October. This one, I don't remember which variation it was either, but I'll look it up. Okay, there was one in particular I was hoping for, so I'm not sure if I got that one. No, I didn't get it. I can see from here. This is not the one I was hoping for, but that's okay. All right. Here's the card. And these are the products. Excuse me. It's cold out here. Okay, the first thing is Mighty Patch Invisible. It says Your Blemish Hero. I got another one of these and something else, but I don't remember what it was. So the next time I get a breakout, I will try these out. And this sells for $3. And the next thing is Skin Polish by Beauty Kitchen. It says honeysuckle and gardenia. It says notes of pretty gardenia are seduced with a tease of rose and sweetened with tender honeysuckle in an exceptionally beautiful blossom. A favorite of some of Beauty Kitchen's celebrity clients. I'm quite certain you will enjoy this as much as they do. And then it has a little window so you can see the scrub. Let me see what it smells like. All those sweet flowers. It's probably very sweet. Ooh. This smells heavenly. Ooh, it's so nice. It retails for $10.50. And it says 100% chemical free. All natural products. That's great. I can't wait to use this. It's nice. Alright, and then next we have from Earth Harbor. This is Lunar Rain. And this is a night serum. It says endow your skin with raindrops of moonlight magic. This is a rich featherlight serum featuring a medley of seaweed collagen, tropical superfood acids, and botanical multivitamins that refine and retexturize skin to reveal smoother and more radiant looking complexion. And it has 15% AHA plus BHA blend, microalgae collagen, and vitamin C rich oils. Okay. Even though I'm using a serum right now, I'm trying to finish up and use it up. And I have other ones waiting, but that's okay. I do use them. Oh, it smells good. There's the serum right there. I really like that scent. This says purely natural, C-active, plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, woman owned. And this retails for $52. Okay, and then we have Verify 2020 eye cream in the travel size. And it says retail value $22.67. It has phytospherics and peptides to firm and hydrate the eye area, niacinamide and cucumber extract. It's supposed to reduce dark circles and pokiness. Alrighty. And the last thing in here, amongst all of this stuff, is a mascara from... Oh no, this is not mascara. This is from Cella. It's an eyebrow defining gel. And it's clear. There it is. Retails for $20. And it's supposed to be made with high quality ingredients. I won't open it right now because I have some other eyebrow gels. Alright, so for October, Kinder Beauty, we got the Cella Eyebrow Gel, the Verify Peptide Eye Cream, sample, deluxe sample, the Earth Harbor Lunar Rain Night Serum, this lovely smelling skin polish for the bath. I think it's for your bath. Let me see. Yeah, it's for your bath. It says, scrub with skin polish at the end of bath or shower. No rinse, no lotion needed after. That's good. And the eye patches, they fell on the ground. I'll get them later. Okay. So that's everything that I got in Kinder Beauty for September and October. Thank you for watching. Bye.